Hey guys, so Fluid Art Co. is coming out with a new This Little Piggy, and my showcase color is Show Pony. So I'm going to mix this up for y'all today so you can see how pretty this color is, and we'll do a couple of tiles on it so you can see how it looks under black cell activator as well as white. This is a very pretty unicorny My Little Pony color. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit to my cup. We don't need a lot. And to this, I'm going to add a little Josanya. This is going to disperse my pigment. You want to make sure that you stir these so they're very well blended and not grainy. Ooh, it's really sparkly. It's going to be a yummy color for you. Disperses very well. Don't see any issues, don't see any sand. Some pigments you get, they are kind of grainy, but this one is not. Okay, so I'm going to add some of our Bear Dynasty. I do like this base. So I'll give it 3 parts. Give that a stir. Oh, that's really pretty. See the shine? I like this consistency for blooming. If you were going to use this for acrylic pouring, you'd want to disperse that pigment first. I do like to disperse with Liquitex pouring medium for acrylic pouring, and then add some Floetrol and gel gloss if you need it to thicken it up. But this is perfect. Super pretty color. Alright, so let's give it a go. I'm going to grab a pair of gloves. Remember, when you're working with pigments, mica powders, etc., to try to wear a mask. You don't want to inhale those. Okay, so my white is the PPG. Let me get that up on a cup for you so you can see a little better. I just want to show you this color on its own. There's a lot of new colors coming out. Some gorgeous pigments. So on June 25th, you'll get to see them all. Alright, let's get a puddle on here. Since this is the only color I'm using, I'll go a little heavier. We're going to try it with the black cell activator first. And I'm going to use my littlest leaf blower to blow this out. Super pretty. Very pretty color. I love black, pink, and white together. So I like to use my airbrush to bring up more cells. Just little puffs. Give that a minute. So I will be using this color in a piece on June 25th when we have our collaboration. You get to see it in a different type of painting, possibly. Look how pretty. Love it. All right, let's see if we can get some tilting going. That middle moving. It's coming. I don't like to go until it's moving. Head to my other corner. It's nice to see how these colors work with different cell activators. I'm going to come down here. And I am kind of a cheater. I do like to pinch my corners because I don't want to lose any of that beautiful lacing and cell. Bring it home. Slow and steady. Bring it back up. Get all of our cells back where we want them. That's beautiful. Love the detail around that pink. So that is with black cell activator. Let's give it a shot with the white. Gotta play fair. I like to work out my edges just in case they start drying. I don't like that line when paint starts to dry. And I like plenty of paint to play with. Normally I spin my tiles out, but for this video I'm showing you how to hand tilt. Okay. Another good dose. I like a very abundant puddle of color. Helps to stretch it all the way to the edges. Alright, so this is Amsterdam Titanium White mixed with Aussie Floetrol. Let's blow this one out. I like that we're going to get different shades of pink on this. more cells. With the white, it takes just a little bit longer to see those. And the white does produce smaller cells. They're not quite as dramatic as the black. And they can take longer to come up and form because the titanium is so heavy. I'm going to give that a minute and I'll be right back. Not getting a lot more coming up, so I'm going to go ahead and stretch it out. Sometimes that helps bring it up too. We don't have to be loaded with cells. It's just fun to see them all. I really don't need to go this way if I pull that over the edge. Let's see what we can do with these two corners. The longer you let these set, the more they open up too. It's already starting to change just from tilting. And if I sound tired, I'm a late night painter. No noise at night. Is that my air purifier? Well, that's kind of a weird looking center, but I think it's kind of cool. It's definitely not like a blossom or anything, but it is pretty cool. So let's do a side by side. You can see that beautiful color. And there you have it. Show pony. June 25th, guys. Be ready. Thanks so much for watching. Love you all. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.